Good morning, students. Today our topic is rearrangements. In that, the first one is pinnacle rearrangement. So in pinnacle rearrangements, 1,2 diols gives carbonyl compounds. 1,2 diols gives carbonyl compounds. So in presence of acidic medium. These 1,2 diols, also called viginal diols, and this is also called pinnacle, and this carbonyl compounds also called pinnacones. Okay, so I am writing now example. This is 1,2 diol. 1,2 diol in presence of acidic medium gives carbonyl compound. See how this reaction occurs. We'll see mechanism. See, first protonation takes place. One of the OH group will attract this H plus ion and formation of oxonium ion takes place. O getting positive charge. See here, oxygen is more electronegative atom. Positive charge on oxygen atom is unstable. That's why immediately elimination of water takes place, and remaining compound is carbon with positive charge. Carbon with positive charge. See, this carbocation must be stable. This carbocation must be stable. And adjacent carbon containing alkyl groups or aryl groups or hydrogens, whatever it may be, one of the group migration takes place. One of the group migration takes place towards positive carbon. Then here carbon getting 3 bonds only. Here carbon getting 3 bonds only. That's why immediately OH bond shifting towards carbon oxygen bond and C double bond. This is carbonyl compound. This is pinnacle rearrangement mechanism. Here two conditions we need to observe. One is formation of stable carbocation, and the second one is group migration. Group migration is based on migratory aptitude. So migratory aptitude, in this way, hydrogen has more migratory aptitude than phenyl, then ethyl, then methyl. So first which group will be migrated? Hydrogen. Then last migratory aptitude order which have, that is methyl. Some examples we will see now in pinnacle rearrangement. The first example is CH3, CCH3 and OH, CCH3, PH and pH and OH. Now when I use acidic medium. So first condition is what? Stable carbocation. Stable carbocation. See here, which hydroxyl group will attract this H2 plus ion? This OH group will attract this H2 plus ion. Then only stable carbocation formation is possible. CH3, OH and pH and positive charge. Diphenyl carbocation is highly stable. Then next step is what? Migratory aptitude. Migration of group. Which group will be migrated? See here, both methyl groups, there is no novelty. Any one of the methyl group will be shifted. This OH bond shifted towards carbon oxygen bond to neutralize the carbon valency. pH and CH3. See, first reaction I written clearly. From next example I will write direct product. So this is the product. And the second example if I take, that is ethyl C CH3 OH and CPH and OH. So in acidic medium, here carbocation will be formed, and ethyl group will be migrated. Then the product is CH3 C double bond O and C ethyl group pH and pH. This is pinacol rearrangement. Next, third example is pH and OH. Then I am taking simple hydrogen atoms. So I already told you, first step is stable carbocation here will be formed, and then any one of the hydrogen will be migrated. Then the product will be pH and H C double bond O H. Aldehyde will be formed. Next, fourth one, CPH and CPH OH and CH and CH3 and OH. Then here carbocation will be formed, stable carbocation, and methyl is there, and hydrogen is there. Hydrogen has more migratory aptitude, that's why hydrogen will be shifted. pH H and C double bond O CH3. So next, fifth one. So I am taking one of the example with a ring contribution. Here OH and here OH. Both sides same groups are there. That's why any OH group will be attracted. So here positive charge will be formed. Ring expansion takes place. See, I am writing. Please observe carefully. This is the compound. Here double bond will be formed. So this is 5-membered ring, 1 2 3 4 5 6-membered ring and 4-membered ring. So I will write this clearly, look carefully. We can write this also. Here double bond O. This is the compound. Next one, next example, I am writing that. Sixth example. I am writing. Here OH and here OH. So H plus ion. Here positive charge will be formed. Why? Because ring expansion will be takes place. Now see here, this 6-membered ring as it is, and here 1 2 3 4 5 5-membered ring will be formed. 5-membered ring will be formed here. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so double bond where it will be, here double bond will be there. And next 7th example, here 1 2 diols I taken, 1 2 diols I taken in presence of acidic medium. Any one of the OH will be out, and ring contraction takes place. Here double bond is there, and here 5-membered ring. So this is the pentool-pentool arrangement. One more example I am taking this. Here one more example I am taking this. 2 benzene rings, and upper side like this. Here OH group, and here OH group, and here hydrogens are there. See, acidic medium, one of the OH group will be out. I already told you hydrogen has more migratory aptitude, that's why I am writing simple product directly. N groups, and here hydrogen will be migrated, double bond O. See, and one more example I am taking, 9th example. 9th example I am taking. Okay, see, 4-membered ring, methyl group and OH, methyl group and OH in presence of H plus acidic medium. Any one of the OH group will be out, and here methyl group does not shift, ring contraction takes place. So this is very important, please remind this. Next, last example I am taking, last example I am taking this. Both 3-membered rings with OH groups, and in presence of acidic medium, any one of the OH group will be out, and ring expansion takes place. Ring expansion takes place. See, here 4-membered ring and a double bond O, and here 3-membered ring. So this is the pentool-pentool rearrangement. Thank you.